Can, questions and answers.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I've been playing for 5 years.
Can I sit here?
Of course, this seat is free.
Can your sister speak French?
No, but she's learning.
Can we change the meeting time?
Yes, let's move it to 3 p.m.
Can you help me with this project?
Sure, I'll give you a hand.
Can I bring a friend to the party?
Yes, the more the merrier.
Can we watch a movie tonight?
I'd love to. Let's choose one.
Can you fix this computer issue?
I'll try, but I'm not an expert.
Good questions and answers.
Could you close the door, please?
Of course, I'll close it now.
Could I borrow your pen for a moment?
Sure, here you go.
Could you meet me at 5 p.m.?
Yes, that time works for me.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Certainly, here it is.
Could we take a break for lunch?
Yes, let's take a break now.
Could you explain that again?
Sure, I'll go over it one more time.
Could I have more time to finish the task?
Yes, you can take an extra day.
Could you recommend a good book to read?
Yes, I'd suggest The Great Gatsby.
Do questions and answers.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I love hiking in the mountains.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I usually have weekends off.
Do you live in this neighborhood?
Yes, I live just down the street.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee, especially in the morning.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I learned when I was a child.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching football.
How questions and answers.
How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus most days.
How did you learn to cook so well?
I took some cooking classes last year.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking and relaxed.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for about 2 years.
How do you like your new job?
I really enjoy it. The team is very supportive.
How far is your office from home?
It's about 10 kilometers away.
How do you keep fit?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How did you celebrate your birthday?
I had a small dinner with family and friends. What questions and answers? What do you do for fun on weekends?
I like hiking and spending time with friends.
What time is your meeting today?
It's at 2 p.m. in the afternoon.
What is your favorite type of music?
I love listening to jazz.
What are you going to cook for dinner tonight?
I'm planning to make pasta.
What did you study in university?
I studied business administration.
What did you think of the movie we watched last night?
I thought it was really exciting.
What's your favorite book?
I really enjoy reading Pride and Prejudice.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and fruit.
When questions and answers.
When are you leaving for your trip?
I'm leaving early tomorrow morning.
When is the next train to the city?
The next train leaves in 15 minutes.
When did you last see that movie?
I watched it about 2 years ago.
When will you finish your work today?
I should be done by 6 p.m.
When does the store close?
It closes at 9 p.m. tonight.
When are we meeting for dinner?
We're meeting at 7 p.m. at the restaurant.
When did you learn to ride a bike?
I learned when I was around 6 years old.
When do you plan to call her back?
I'll call her later this evening.
Where questions and answers. Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's 2 blocks away on the left.
Where did you buy that jacket?
I bought it at a store downtown.
Where are we meeting tomorrow?
We'll meet at the coffee shop near the office.
Where does your brother work?
He works at a tech company in the city.
Where can I find a good restaurant around here?
There's a great one just across the street.
Where are you going for your vacation?
I'm going to Italy next month.
Where do you usually shop for groceries?
I shop at the local market.
Where did you leave your phone?
I think I left it in the car.
Which questions and answers?
Which train should we take to the city?
We should take the express train. It's faster.
Which chair is more comfortable?
The one with the cushions is much more comfortable.
Which department does Mr. Smith work in?
He works in the marketing department.
Which flavor of tea do you prefer?
I prefer the green tea with lemon.
Which team are you supporting?
I am supporting the local team.
Which laptop has better performance?
The one with the Intel processor is more powerful.
Which road leads to the beach?
Take the second road on the left.
Which painting do you like the most?
I like the landscape painting the most.
Who, questions and answers.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma. We've known each other for years.
Who are you going to the concert with?
I'm going with my cousin.
Who gave you that beautiful necklace?
My mother gave it to me for my birthday.
Who will be teaching the class tomorrow?
Mr. Smith will be the teacher.
Who was at the party last night?
Just a few close friends from work.
Who helped you with your project?
My colleague helped me finish it.
Who are you waiting for at the airport?
I'm waiting for my sister. She's arriving soon.
Who is going to pick you up from the station?
My friend is coming to pick me up.
Whose questions and answers?
Whose keys are on the table?
They are my sister's keys.
Whose turn is it to cook dinner?
It's my turn tonight.
Whose bike is that outside?
It belongs to our neighbor's son.
Whose shoes are in the hallway?
Those are my dad's shoes.
Whose phone charger is plugged in?
That's Sarah's charger.
Whose notebook is this on the desk?
It's John's notebook for math class.
Whose decision was it to cancel the meeting?
It was the manager's decision.
Whose music is playing in the background?
That's my brother's playlist.
Why? Questions and answers. Why are you learning Spanish?
I'm learning it because I plan to travel to Spain.
Why didn't you come to the meeting yesterday?
I was feeling unwell and couldn't make it.
Why are you wearing that jacket? It's warm outside.
I thought it might get chilly later.
Why are you working late today?
I have a deadline tomorrow.
Why did you choose this restaurant for dinner?
I've heard the food here is excellent.
Why did you move to a new city?
I got a new job opportunity here.
Why are you not eating your lunch?
I'm not really hungry right now.
Why didn't you answer my call?
I was in a meeting and couldn't pick up.
Will questions and answers. Will you visit your family for the holidays?
Yes, I will spend a week with them.
Will it snow this weekend?
According to the forecast, it might.
Will you help me move next weekend?
Yes, I will be there to help.
Will they announce the results today?
Yes, they will announce them this afternoon.
Will you join us for lunch tomorrow?
Yes, I will meet you at 12.
Will the new restaurant be open by next month?
Yes, they will open it in 2 weeks.
Will you buy groceries on your way home?
Yes, I will stop by the store after work.
Will we have enough seats for everyone?
Yes, we will set up extra chairs just in case.
Would questions and answers.
Would you like to go for a walk this evening?
Yes, I would love to get some fresh air.
Would you mind if I open the window?
No, I wouldn't mind. Go ahead.
Would you attend the wedding if you were invited?
Yes, I would go if I had the time.
Would you choose a beach holiday over a city break?
I think I would prefer the beach.
Would you let me know if you need help with that?
Sure, I would appreciate it.
Would you like to stay in or go out for dinner tonight?
I prefer to stay in and cook something.
Would you buy this jacket if it were on sale?
Yes, I would buy it if the price was right.
Would you lend me your book after you finish it?
Of course, I would be happy to lend it to you.
Should questions and answers.
Should I wear a coat today?
Yes, it's a bit chilly outside.
Should we book the hotel in advance?
Yes, it's always safer to book early.
Should I email the document now?
Yes, send it before the meeting starts.
Should we ask for directions?
Yes, we might get lost without asking.
Should I bring my umbrella?
Yes, it looks like it might rain later.
Should we arrive earlier than the event?
Yes, it's better to be there early to get good seats.
Should I sign up for the yoga class?
Yes, it's a great way to stay fit and relaxed.
Should we turn off the lights when we leave?
Yes, it's important to save energy.
Shall questions and answers.
Shall we take a walk after dinner?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
Shall I book the tickets for the show?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Shall we have a meeting tomorrow morning?
Yes, let's meet at 10 a.m.
Shall I bring anything to the picnic?
Yes, you can bring some snacks.
Shall we start the presentation now?
Yes, let's get started.
Shall I call a cab for us?
Yes, that would be great.
Shall we go out for coffee after work?
Yes, I'd love to.
Shall I turn off the air conditioning?
Yes, it's getting a bit cold in here. Must questions and answers.
Must we submit the report by Friday?
Yes, the deadline is Friday.
Must I attend the meeting or can I skip it?
You must attend. It's important.
Must you wear a uniform to work?
Yes, we must wear a uniform every day.
Must they follow the new guidelines immediately?
Yes, they must start following them from today.
Must I clean up after the event?
Yes, you must leave the place tidy.
Must we bring our own drinks to the party?
No drinks will be provided.
Must I check in at the airport 2 hours before the flight?
Yes, it's mandatory for international flights.
Must I inform the manager if I'm going to be late?
Yes, you must let them know as soon as possible.
Might questions and answers. Might we see the northern lights tonight?
We might, but it depends on the weather.
Might you join the meeting later?
I might if I finish my work in time.
Might it rain tomorrow?
It might, but the forecast isn't clear.
Might they cancel the event due to low attendance?
Yes, they might cancel if not enough people show up.
Might you need more time to complete the project?
I might need an extra day, but I'll let you know.
Might the train be delayed?
It might be, but let's hope it's on time.
Might the package arrive earlier than expected?
It might, but don't count on it.
Might we go hiking this weekend?
We might, if the weather is nice.
May questions and answers.
May I sit here?
Yes, you may sit here if it's free.
May we use the conference room for our meeting?
Yes, you may use it after 2 p.m.
May I ask you a personal question?
Yes, you may, but it depends on the question.
May we bring our own food to the picnic?
Yes, you may bring whatever you like.
May I leave class early today?
Yes, you may leave once you finish your assignment.
May I change the TV channel?
Sure you may. I'm not watching it.
May we take photos inside the museum?
No, you may not. Photography is prohibited.
May I use your laptop for a minute?
Yes, you may, but please be careful with it.